Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 31. Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller has called on the international community to take a keener look at the link between peace, security and development. She was giving a Caribbean perspective during the special United Nations open debate on peace and security challenges facing small island developing states at the UN headquarters in New York. The Prime Minister said the region required comprehensive debt relief and tangible development financing to advance its peace and security initiatives.
Stronger global partnerships and more efficient forms of cooperation are needed to help SIDS in the fight against the scourge of transnational organized crime.
A $20 million solar panel pilot project to generate 100 kilowatts of energy will soon see the National Indoor Sports Center cutting its energy bill.
The transformation of the Indoor Sports Center into a fully solar-powered facility will mean that all of us will be able to not only utilize it for sporting events, but for entertainment activities as well.
Energy Minister Philip Paulwell says the facility will also be licensed to sell any surplus energy to the national grid.
The sports center here will be generating revenues, and from that you'll be able to pay whatever bills you incur from JPSCO. Now, the aim is to make sure that your net is zero.
The project is being done through the newly formed National Energy Solutions Limited, NESOL. It's a rebranding and expansion of the Rural Electrification Program and is charged with designing and developing new energy solutions, minimizing electricity theft, and promoting renewable energy at commercial institutions. Another shipment of private motor vehicle license plates is expected early next week as Tax Administration Jamaica (TAJ) moves to alleviate the current shortage. TAJ says its larger tax offices got a shipment on Wednesday and distributed the plates mainly to its business customers. Private clients will be served from the coming shipment. Meanwhile, TAJ says its local supplier has ramped up production with plans to work through the weekend and overtime to supply the additional plates beginning next Monday. In the meantime, people who have their old license plates may choose to transfer those plates to register their new vehicles. The situation should be back to normal by mid-August. The National Water Commission, NWC, has been given the go-ahead to implement its early payment incentive late payment fee program. It's one of several initiatives announced recently by the NWC to reduce the amount of money it loses from non-revenue water distribution. Customers get $250 credited to their next month's bill if they pay early and in full. A $250 fee is applied for paying late. The Office of Utilities Regulation, which had instructed the NWC to halt the initiative on July 14, has completed its review and approved the program effective August 27. This gives customers 30 days notice before it is implemented. And finally, the health and the local government ministries are partnering to reproduce and distribute the special drum covers that have been developed to prevent the breeding of the Aedes aegypti mosquito. The covers are for use on 45 to 55-gallon drums. The health ministry says these drums are the main breeding habitat for the Aedes aegypti, which transmits the dengue, chickpea and Zika viruses. The covers are made of mesh, allowing for the collection of water while creating a barrier to prevent mosquitoes from laying eggs in the containers. Parish councillors will be asked to engage community members in the reproduction of the covers. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.